Hey everybody, this is Trav with Enduro, and I'm here today to talk to you about our new DoubleTrak tool. This is the DoubleTrak. This is a compact, useful, durable hand tool. This is completely adaptable to your needs on the trail. We've designed this tool around standard 1/4-inch hex bits. The tool can hold 13 of these, all held in place by strong neodymium magnets. The tool, as we said, is very useful. It incorporates a 50mm internal extension. They can be used on either of the drive ends, the high torque or the high speed drive end. The standard loadout that we like includes a number of Torx bits, hex bits, a 10, 8, 6mm nut setter or socket. Very importantly, a 1/4-inch hex to 1/4-inch square drive, so you can incorporate any other socket you want with this tool. And then your standard number 2 Phillips and a 5.5mm flat. Just the little things. You reach into your pocket, pull this out, quickly grab the bit that you need, adjust your shifter, adjust your brake lever, adjust the mirrors, adjust the bars, remove a body panel to get at something, put it all back together, put the tool back in your pocket, get back on the trail, get back on the road quickly and effectively. This will save you a lot of time and frustration because these bits are always in place. They're held there by strong neodymium magnets. You know, you pull this out of your pocket, you're not going to say, where is the 10mm? The 10mm is right there because that magnet is not letting it go. So, head on over to enduro.com, get yourself a DoubleTrak, keep it in your pocket, keep it in your tank bag, keep it close, because this is the tool you want to grab when you're on the trail or on the road for those quick fixes. So we've showed you the DoubleTrak tool. We're extremely proud of this tool, and we'd love for you to head on over to enduro.com and order up one of your own. Like, subscribe, follow us, leave comments, let us know how this thing's working. Okay guys, remember when you're on the trails, ride right, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.